Karon atong balikan si Cecil aron masugda na ang iyang one-on-one interview kang kapuso Derek Ramsay.
It's going to be an exciting morning mga kapuso. Kay kumustahon na to this time mga tuang paboritong kapuso artist na si Derek Ramsay. Hi Derek, good morning!
Good morning, maayong buntag.
Maayong buntag kanimo Derek. How are you? How are you and your family doing?
We're good naman. I got to see my family finally a few days ago. But before that, mga 2 months bago ko sila nakita. It was kind of emotional. Naiyak ako ng konti. I miss them very much. Nakatira sila sa Tagaytay, ako sa Alabang. So, it was nice to see them talaga, give them a hug and a kiss. Ang importante is that everybody's safe and COVID-free.
Tama ka nga dun. Buti na lang you and your family are okay and you're all safe this time, no? Bahala. Kahit may ano tayo, kahit may pandemic tayo. Pero Derek, eto, we're very interested. Kasi you're such a busy man and now you're staying at home. Ano yung daily routine mo while staying inside the house?
I start my day now every morning when I wake up early. I check on my mga kasambahay just to make sure that everybody is safe. No one is feeling any of the symptoms. And then I get straight into my workout. I work out twice a day.
Wow.
Sa hapon, kasabay kami ni Andrea mag-workout. We video call each other and we help motivate each other to work out. But maraming din gaps during the day na wala akong ginagawa. So we focus more on mental health, staying positive. And actually, tumatawag ako sa mga pamilya ko and na-notice ko during sa quarantine period, talagang yung kwentuhan namin is quality.
Going back to your fitness routine, no? You mentioned you work out twice, you're such a fitness advocate. Paano mo imo-motivate yung mga viewers natin to start or to maintain an active lifestyle na gaya mo kahit nasa loob lang ng bahay?
There's no magic workout na will get you in shape overnight or a magic program that's going to get you in shape in 2 to 3 days. The key word here is consistency. Kahit anong exercise na gawin mo, basta consistent ka sa ginagawa mo, you're gonna see the benefits and you're going to see results. So for me, whether it's if you're scrolling on Instagram, find somebody who motivates you. If I motivate you, go follow me on Instagram and I'll help you get off the couch to get active and to work out.
And talking about things that motivates you, you've always loved golfing and even frisbee, di ba? Ano yung mga practical steps that you're doing now to ensure your safety while doing the sports that you love to do?
Well, frisbee is definitely out of the question now. Maraming magagaling na frisbee player dyan sa Cebu and Visayas region. It's a sport na it's very physical and it's played by 7 guys on each side. So it's not a sport that we can actually play right now because of our physical distancing, social distancing. But golf, on the other hand, you can play. It's very different now, actually, with the rules. It kind of takes the fun out of the game. Kasi I play golf to hang out with friends. I play golf to spend time with my dad, who's my best friend. But now, we have to have our own carts. Hindi kami pwedeng magsabay sa isang cart. We have to practice and social distancing, physical distancing.
At least you get to do the things you love to do outdoors, di ba? Buti na lang. At least nagagawa ng paraan.
Yes, of course.
And of course,
it's nice to get, to feel the sun again and the fresh air and see the birds. Ang sarap ng feeling na makalabas ng bahay.
And of course, this interview is not complete without talking about you and Ada. Kasi nakausap namin siya weeks ago. Oo, kaka-birthday niya noon. And she mentioned the sweet little things you do for her. Kumusta kayo? And how will you date, under the new normal that we have now?
Our conversations have been really, really lengthy and quality conversations. So we really got to know each other even more kahit na hindi kami nagkikita. And throughout the entire quarantine, hindi kami nagkita. Not one time.
Talaga.
It was really difficult. But just recently, nagsama na kami and alam mo yung feeling ng I used to go to boarding school tapos alam kong makikita ko na yung parents ko. Yung excitement na gano'n. Pauwi na ako, nasa aeroplano ka pa lang, gusto mo nang talagang tumalon palabas and just grab your parents, hug them. Ganun talaga yung naramdaman ko nung unang makita ko si Andrea. It was like forever. But thank God, meron tayong mga video chats and all of that now, which makes it a lot easier. Nakikita mo na yung loved one mo. But nung nakita ko siya, talagang hug, long hug, and like it was like back to day one. Kwentuhan, enjoy, laughing, asking questions about anong ginawa namin during the quarantine. So this quarantine definitely made our relationship a lot stronger, and natutuwa ako dun.
And if there's a silver lining, Derek, in this crisis, para sa'yo, ano yun?
For me, I guess it was a wake-up call na, hey, the things that I used to prioritize, I guess my priorities were not, in the right order. And it woke me up. And again, I feel even closer now to my loved ones.
That's good to hear. And Derek, before we end the interview, ano yung mensahe mo para sa lahat ng mga kapuso natin?
This pandemic has brought us all together. Nakita natin kung gaano kadaming taong nag-donate, gaano kadaming taong, went out to help. Frontliners went out and risked their lives for all of us, the military. It brought the whole nation together. So I hope this continues after this pandemic is over para umangat na talaga ang bansa natin. So guys, stay positive, stay strong. We will get through.
Yes, we will get through together. And with that, daghang salamat, Derek, for joining us this morning.
Daghang salamat. Thank you, guys.
And mga kapuso, that was Derek Ramsay nga mipaambit ka nato sa iyang ECQ Diary. Busa, mubalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.